Can you hear me, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, Venkataraman, your time, you will speak first. Which cue card
Okay.
would you like to speak on?
I would like to take second topic, ma'am.
Second topic, that is aquatic animal,
Ah,
right? Is that the one you want to speak?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. Yes. So I'll start on the timer and you'll start. And the rest of the students, all of you in this meeting, you're all the examiners. Okay? You'll all note down whatever mistakes you come to know, you catch. Okay? Will you do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Start, Venkat.
Thank you, ma'am. India has diversified with animal life. So here we have domestic animals, wild animals, and aquatic animals. Here I would like to talk about an aquatic animal that I recently visited, was a dolphin, which I recently visited Chennai, and in there is an aquatic center called MGM. They have recently brought so many aquatic animals over there, like sharks, dolphin, etc. So dolphin, I found out really interesting because it is the fastest swimmer in aquatic animal and easily tameable animal. So, and I found this very interesting because we can tame it very easily. And the most thing is that it can sense a lot, like the foods and everything it can sense. And dolphin are the fastest swimmers. And most of the time, dolphin feeds on fishes, like small kind of fishes. And it's quite what you call, it can easily able to sense the sounds underwater also. So it has most of the sense that all the humans have, and it can easily able to tame in any kind of water. Most of the dolphins are found on the rivers, but some of the aquatic animals now they are bringing to for the visitors to have a see. And in some aquatic center they are able to allow the visitors to swim along with the dolphin and also give a chance to feed the fishes.
Okay.
That's all.
Not very good. Very good. You spoke very well. Can able to, you one in at one place you said can able to, they can able to. Can able to is wrong because can is a modal verb and able to is also a semi-modal. Okay, so able to and can don't come together. Can do or are able to do, like that you can say. People are able to do or people can do. Dolphins can do, dolphins are able to do, like that. Got it?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So that was one mistake I caught. And now the other examiners here in the group. Yes. Nobody? Come
Yes,
on.
ma'am. Actually, I also got, the Ken. He also spoke the Ken and Abel. I mean,
Yeah,
Abel. So
okay.
that was.
Just give me 1 second.
I think he is not able to speak what he feel about this aquatic animal.
Okay. So can able to ये आपने पकड़ी थी उसकी mistake जुबेर
Yes, ma'am.
और बाकी काफी अच्छा बोला वेंकट. You spoke very
बाकी तो
well.
सही
You see,
सही बोला.
what I felt was that you are rushing it up, like you are not giving natural pauses also. You should give
Okay,
natural
ma'am.
pauses. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
It is
Okay,
quite
ma'am.
okay to like pause for a second in between the sentences, right?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Next cue card will be spoken by.
Ma'am, how long? Ma'am, can you tell me the duration times? Ma'am?
You spoke full 2 minutes, 1 minute 56 seconds. That is pretty okay. Very good. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Next cue card. Arjumand is here.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, start. Which cue card would you like to speak on? See, you can speak on a cue card of your choice. Those who prepare, don't ask me a minute to give, because I want to cover the maximum in this 1 hour, right? Start, Arjumand. Can you start right away? And all the examiners, be alert to catch mistakes. Okay. Chalo, start.
Describe a time when you forget something important, ma'am.
When you forgot. Okay.
Yes, when you forgot. Okay. Can I start, ma'am?
Sure.
I think there are many situations in my life where I have forgotten something. Today, I would like to talk about an interesting incident, and it happened to me just recently. I forgot something very essential on January 14th, which is the kite flying festival in India. It is very popular festival in India, especially among the youth. And this is also called as the Sankrantri in local language. I forget my sunglasses, as it was so important for me to remember the sunglasses because it was the third most essential thing to have after the kite and thread. And obviously, it was a sunny day, and I had to look up high in the sky to fly the kite. And uh, initially, I was very angry with myself. There was no time to go back home and to get goggles back, as the competition had begun already. And so what I did was I found a shade, and I managed to fly the kite, and I managed to start flying the kite. And somehow, as soon as my kite was up in the sky, I gave a call to my friend who was going to join me in some time, and I requested her to come fast and to bring the extra pair of glasses along with her. And she did come fast, and my problem has solved. And but because of this, I did not enjoy the competition because of all the chaos. But I have learned the lesson that I should not forget the important things.
Okay. You spoken 1 minute and 30 seconds. And whatever you spoke very, very well. Definitely. Your fluency and your everything.
Should I continue more, ma'am? I thought I was.
Pardon?
Should I continue more because my time is less?
Yeah, but I thought you'd finished.
Yes, I finished all the cues, but I can cook up. It's fine, ma'am.
Okay, you can speak. Arjumand, I'm not, for a second even doubtful that you'll get a 7. I think you can go to 8, 8.5 in your speaking. Just practice like this. Speak a bit. You can go a bit slow, but if that is your, then you have to learn. If that is your speed and you can do very well at that speed, then what you have to do is you have to have more things in your pocket to speak about, to speak on. Okay. That is it. You'll do very well. Very nice. Okay, next cue card. Manjeet Singh, would you like to speak?
Ma'am?
Yes, Venki. Yes.
Ma'am, she mentioned who is going to join some, she mentioned, right? So is it correct practically whom? Who is going to join like that? She have already mentioned, right? Once.
One of my
Oh,
friends.
one mistake I forgot to tell her. I forgot.
Yes, ये forgot आना था. यही मैं.
I've written it, but I didn't somehow it skipped my mind to tell her. But who is ये वाला मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा.
Ma'am, is it fine, ma'am? Who is going to join like that? She mentioned once.
Arjun, can you repeat what you said there? Where he is saying?
Who is going to join from some friend? Who is going to join some friend like that? She told. She brought, forgot to bring her glasses. Like that time she mentioned. Who is going to join like that?
Let her speak out that portion again, Venkat. Let her speak out.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Arjun.
I gave a call to one of my friend who's going to join in some time.
Who was going to join? Yes, that was your query.
That is.
Yeah.
Okay.
Who was
Yes,
going
ma'am.
to join me? Yes, yes, that was a mistake. But she was
Ma'am,
quite
Ma'am,
fast over
मैंने
things.
forget नहीं बोला, forgot कुछ आपने बताया ना mistake.
आपने forget ही बोला था.
Forget
Arjun.
बोला मैम.
आपने forget बोला था, forgot आना था वहाँ पे.
Okay.
आपने मैंने भी नोट करा और स्टूडेंट ने भी नोट करा है. Okay. So it was forget. आपको वहाँ forgot बोलना था. ठीक है, हाँ कोई बात नहीं, वो आपको अगर लगा कि आपने forgot बोला, forget जैसा सुना तो ज्यादा कॉन्शियस हो जाना, forgot बोलना है तो forget वाली प्रोनाउंसिएशन नहीं आनी चाहिए वहाँ पे, ठीक है? That's good. You spoke very well.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes. So next, Zubair, are you ready for one?
No, ma'am. Actually, I did not today.
Okay, you can prepare in the meantime. Anybody
Okay.
else?
मैम
Yes. Yes.
Hello?
Yes.
मैम मुझे बोलना है कुछ बात।
मुझे का नाम बोल दो प्लीज।
मनदीप।
हाँ मनदीप, ओके मनदीप, या
Yes.
चलो स्टार्ट।
Okay. First, ma'am, first day of school.
फर्स्ट डे ऑफ स्कूल, ओके चलो।
Ma'am, I have. Can I
यस
start, ma'am?
यस यस स्टार्ट।
Okay, ma'am. I have been through schools in my life. My primary school was very different from my secondary school. I have weak remembrance of my primary school as I was too small then. So here I would like to talk about my secondary school in which I studied from 6th class to 10th standard. My school name was Government Senior Secondary School, and I vividly remember the first day of my that school. Actually, I was feeling very nervous on my first day. This school was much bigger than my primary school. I was afraid of getting lost here. I was a little bit excited also. I just walked inside with other students and went where they were going. I was a new face for many of them, so most of the students staring at me. I asked one student about where sixth class was. Coincidentally, she was also in sixth class. She took me to her class. Her name was Navneet, and till today we are the best friends. And it was the new beginning of my friendship. She made me feel more comfortable, and after talking with her, I was feeling very happy. And before the recess, we attended classes, and during recess, she showed me the whole school. I was awed by the infrastructures of the school. There were separate labs for physics, chemistry, and science labs, and the canteen was the most impressive. There was also two big playgrounds, one for boys and another for girls. And volleyball and badminton courts were also there. All the teachers were very nice. I studied there for 7 years, and those were the most memorable years of my life. So that is the school. So that was the school that I remember the first day of my life.
वेरी नाइस। आपको फिनिशिंग लाइन देने की जरूरत नहीं थी अगर आप अटक रहे थे ना। सो दैट वाज माय फर्स्ट डे एट स्कूल, इतना ही बोल देते। ओके, सो वेरी नाइस, वेरी वेरी वेल स्पोकन। आपने बिल्कुल वही प्रिपेयर करा जो हमारी बुक में लिखा हुआ है। ओके
मैम, मैंने ना आपकी बुक से ही सारे किए, इसीलिए मुझे ना आपको बताना था कि ऐसे तो नहीं लगता जैसे मतलब कि ग्रामीण किए।
तो वो मेरे को शायद बिकॉज आई नो एंड सो मुझे थोड़ा सा 5% 10% फीलिंग आई उस बात की, बट यू हैव डन अ वेरी गुड जॉब ऑफ इट। इट इज थ्रू द वर्ड यू हैव डन इट, यू हैव डन अ लॉट ऑफ हार्ड वर्क। आप अपना ना थोड़ा चेंज भी कर सकते हो बीच में, 2-4 लाइनें हर चीज काट के।
थोड़ा ओन भी ऐड कर सकते हैं ना?
हाँ
थोड़ा सा ओन भी ऐड कर सकते हैं।
हाँ कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। बट अच्छा बोला है। ओके, एक जगह आपने बोला शी मेड मी फील मोर कंफर्टेबल, दैट वाज रॉन्ग। शी मेड मी फील वेरी कंफर्टेबल। मोर इज अ कंपैरिजन वर्ड। ओके, शी मेड मी फील वेरी कंफर्टेबल। वो शायद उसमें ही गलत लिखा होगा क्योंकि आपने इतना अच्छा याद करके बोला, मुझे लग रहा था हमारे से गलती होगी होगी। मेड मी फील वेरी कंफर्टेबल आना चाहिए, मोर नहीं आना चाहिए। ओके चलो नेक्स्ट किसने बोलना है? I please take chances. Deepa, would you like to speak? Yeah. बाद में बच्चे बोलते हैं हमें बोलना था, हमें बोलना था। अब कोई आगे नहीं आ रहा।
हेलो मैम।
हाँ जी
मैम मैं बोला।
हाँ बोलो। Just 1 second, just a minute. Okay, so who is speaking next?
Ma'am,
Can I, ma'am?
Ramanpreet. Ramanpreet?
Yes.
Okay, chalo. Which cue card?
Any you prefer?
Pardon?
Can you can give me any cue card?
No, I am not giving you any. If you don't waste time like that. Who is speaking next? I told
Ma'am,
you
may I?
first. Yes, Diksha. Yes, start. Who is saying? Is it Diksha? Who
Yes,
said
ma'am.
may I? Who said may I? Diksha, yes, you may start.
Yes, ma'am.
Which cue card are you speaking on?
Describe a bag you want to own.
Okay, yes, let's have it. Next,
Being-
prepare करके रखो. Don't ask me at that time. Okay?
मैम इसके बाद बलजीत.
हाँ, चलो start करो.
Being a girl, I am a very fascinated towards bag. In fact, I love to buy bags. I have many bags, such as backpacks, sling bags, and many more. However, I would like to talk about a bag which I want to buy. It is backpack. A few days ago, I was searching bags on Amazon. There, I saw many beautiful bags, and I also saw a bag which is very beautiful and black in color. I wanted to buy this bag because it has a lot of compartments, so I can easily place my laptop, water bottle, stationery, books, phone, charger, and so on in it. Also, this bag has a hidden pocket where I can place my private documents and money, as well as the main feature of this bag, which really fascinated me, is that this bag is waterproof and it can be converted into a trolley bag. Actually, I am an extrovert person. I love to travel. So sometime when I travel to somewhere, I find difficulty to carry my luggage. At that time, I can easily convert into trolley bag and carry my stuff. It will cost me around 5,000 rupees. I am a student, so I cannot afford this price on bags. So that on a discount. So this is a bag which I want to buy.
Very good. Very nice. I am very fascinated that A was extra over there. And after that, you said that sometime. It is not sometime, it's sometimes. Always with an S. Okay. And other examiners, how alert were you? Did you catch?
मैम एक जगह difficulty बताया मैंने. It was difficult to carry on.
It was difficult. And what did she say?
Difficulty.
Difficulty. Okay, that was wrong. Yes, it should be difficult. Anybody else who got any mistake?
No, ma'am. I say I find difficulty to carry my luggage.
I find difficulty to carry galat hai na. I find it difficult to carry. Okay.
Okay.
So that was a mistake which you made. Now it can be. Now you can think of it and see. It is so nice. All of you are teaching. We are all teaching each other, right? It's such a good interaction.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Anybody else got any mistake? Okay. Next, Raman, which are you speaking on? Quick.
मैम बलजीत इसके बाद.
Baljeet. Anji, which are you speaking on?
Ma'am, describe a person who wears unusual clothes.
Okay. Describe a person who wears unusual clothes. Can you start?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
All the examiners
Well, I like.
need you to be alert. Okay. Chalo. Start.
Well, I like to dress conservatively, and most of the time, I avoid bright clothes. But here, I would like to talk about a person who normally wear unusual clothes. He is my best friend, Nitin. I find his dressing sense unusual because of various reasons. Firstly, most of he prefers to wear the girlish colors like pink, red, and orange. And once I saw him wearing a sandal
sandals with three-piece suit. It looked so unusual, and people even talk about his that type of dressing sense. Apart from this, once I saw him wearing a jacket in the summer season, and uh, this he never follows the social norms. Even he never care about others. He wears whatever he wants to do. He do so because he wants to be a his aim is to be a fashion designer. So for this reason, he always do experiment with his clothes. And furthermore, he also experimented with his mother and father clothes. He took he take one of his mother and father clothes and make a dress for him out of this. Along with this, um, he along with this he recently he made a denim he made a denim shorts by cutting his uh, uh, denim jeans, and it
That
was
is 2
like
minutes. That is 2 minutes. Very well spoken. Um, any mistake?
Ma'am,
Yes.
मैम he do बोला
she
था.
She,
He do.
he does. Yes. Very good.
ma'am,
Uh,
मैम एंड थर्ड पर्सन की बात आई तो वर्ड्स
he
आना चाहिए.
mentioned he
Ma'am, one of
wants to
my
aim.
Venkat, what
She
is,
wants to and aim is to become a fashion designer. Something she said, ma'am.
she has a name of,
Aim is
No, see,
he has
no,
a name of,
she said he want to be
wants
a
to.
fashion designer. हाँ, wants to be a fashion designer. ऐसे
No,
नहीं
no,
आना
no.
था. He
He
want to
wants
become.
to. Aim is to become a fashion designer. Something
हाँ,
she
ऐसे
said.
कुछ गलती
that
की
is
थी.
wrong. Okay.
हाँ जी.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
He
मैम
wants to
10th को
aim.
एग्जाम है मेरा.
Pardon?
मैम 10th को एग्जाम है मेरा 10th अप्रैल को.
बहुत अच्छा
मैम
बोला
मेरी भी
आपने,
10th को
बहुत
है.
अच्छा बोला है, बहुत अच्छा बोला है. See, I'm telling you, you've spoken very well. Going 2 minutes is first hurdle crossed, and then very few mistakes. That is pretty good. Okay, that's pretty good. If the examiners are
Ma'am-
fair, it will not be less than a
मैम वो
7. Yes.
मैम वो कितने बैंड रिजर्व करती है?
बेटे मेरे देखो यहाँ पे ना ये सब्जेक्टिव मार्किंग होती है. मुझे लगता है कि 2 मिनट बोलना, ऑन द टॉपिक बोलना, और फिर 4-5 मिस्टेक्स टोटल हैं तो कोई बात नहीं, फिर भी 7 आने चाहिए. मैं 9 नहीं बोल रही हूँ, पर 7 से कम नहीं
Okay.
जाने चाहिए. बट इट्स ऑलवेज सब्जेक्टिव, यू नो, इट डिपेंड्स
Okay,
ऑन द
ma'am.
एग्जामिनर्स. So, you know, at times it has also happened that in after going for a revaluation band जो है 5 से 6 हो गए, 5.5 से 7 हो गए, ऐसा भी हुआ है. So it's very
Okay, ma'am.
subjective. So I would say anything between 6.5 and 7 she'll get, right? That is not
Right.
bad. Yes, next who is going to speak?
Ma'am, I will speak.
एंड मैम
Pali, yes.
पहले.
थर्ड पर्सन की बात हो रही है तो एस आना चाहिए था ना. शी वेयर्स या वेयर.
She wears, Hamesha. Yes.
And
Next, I
ma'am,
will speak.
ma'am, one of his mother नहीं ना होता. One of his mother,
One
father,
of his?
mother and father ऐसे बोला था उन्होंने. One of his बोल सकते हैं father mother के लिए.
One of his parents. One of his
Okay.
parents बोल सकते हो ना?
One of his
आपकी
parents.
एक ही mother है तो one of his mothers थोड़ी हो सकता है. Okay, one of his parents आ सकता है. आज ना actually my internet connection is not that good because the tree has fallen. The main internet is not working. I'm from my phone. You know, hotspot से work कर रही हूँ. Like, it's doing pretty well.
What happened?
Excuse me, good morning. Sorry, I'm
Pardon. How can I mute all?
Customer sitting under.
Okay. So here it is. See, I had to mute, but now who is speaking? Who is
Mummy.
speaking?
Dipali.
Dipali, which cue card?
10th one. Describe a special hotel you stayed in.
Okay, start.
Well, I stayed in many hotels, but today I would like to discuss a special hotel where I stayed. Actually, it was 2 years back when I went to Mumbai. I decided to stay in one of the hotel. because our marriage anniversary was coming after 2 days. So suddenly my husband gave me one surprise. He booked one of the hotel, that is SPG Group Hotel, that is Starwood Preferred Guest Hotel. It comes under 5 star. The name Vedanta. It was the hotel, and we stayed. We went over there, and it was a complete surprise for me because I didn't knew that we are going into the hotel. So he just showed me the tickets, and we went over there, and we book he already booked the tickets for us. So when we enter into the room, that time I got to know that we are staying here for 4 nights and 5 days. And it was a coincidence that the hotel was running with his hotel was having its silver jubilee. Hotel already completed its 25 years, so they were having a special discounts and free gifts they were giving to their guests. At that time we got one complimentary breakfast for 5 days, and also we got some gifts from there. And my husband booked a suite room for us. It was having all the basic facilities like jacuzzi, beautiful shower area. Then we were having a complimentary breakfast, and it's having 3 restaurant having different cuisine like Mexican, Chinese, and Italian. And we also enjoyed the different cuisine food. That hotel is special for its a spa facility, and we overloaded with the spa facility,
Okay.
like they were
So
having
it is 2 minutes
massage
already,
therapy.
Dipali. 2 minutes you've
Yes,
spoken.
ma'am.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
anybody noted any mistakes?
यस मैम
Yes.
Yes,
मैम
ma'am.
एक तो अब बुक बोला था बुक की जगह
हाँ, मैंने भी नोट करा. He
एक
booked.
एक एंटर्ड नहीं बोला एंटर बोला अभी एंटर
He entered.
उसके
Yes.
बाद
Into आना था.
Twice.
Entered के बाद into नहीं आना था.
यस
ठीक है. Entered into नहीं आना था. Entered the room आना था. Okay. और क्या बोला? Cuisine food. Cuisine के बाद food
Ma'am,
लगाने की
yes,
जरूरत
ma'am.
नहीं है.
Food भी लगा दिया, yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am.
और सबसे एक जगह इन्होंने बोला I didn't knew. Right?
Yes.
I did not know.
I didn't know.
No.
Not knew.
I didn't know.
Right?
मैम एक जगह बोला इन्होंने दे गिव गिफ्ट्स.
They gave.
दे नहीं आएगा वहां पर, सिंगुलर था होटल.
The hotel
नहीं होटल की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं.
Because वो
आ सकते हैं.
management day है वो आ सकता
Yes,
है. That is
सही है.
okay. Okay. But बाकी
मैम
दीपाली
गिव बोला ना, गिव बोला, फर्स्ट फॉर्म बोली थी ना, फर्स्ट फॉर्म.
गिव आएगा, गिव आएगा, दे आएगा. हमने सिंगुलर वाली बात करी ना, वो पास्ट टेंस आएगा गिव. ओके, गिव आएगा. ठीक है.
मैम कितना
चल रही है आपको?
बैंड का बोला मैंने?
6.5. Okay. I would say 6.5 because आपकी didn't knew book वो past tense की mistakes बड़ी prominent हो गई 4-5-6 जगह पे.
Okay.
हाँ, उन पे आप वर्क कर लो, आपका डेफिनेटली 7.5 चला जाएगा. ठीक है.
Okay.
ठीक है. गुड. ऑन द होल इट वाज वेरी गुड. बट यू नो द पास्ट टेंस मिस्टेक्स मैंने नोट करा है कि एग्जामिनर्स को अगर नोट में आ जाए, आपकी काफी हो रही थी. ओके, तो वो उसका ध्यान रखना है. ठीक है. ओके, नेक्स्ट हु इज स्पीकिंग?
Ma'am, may I, Monis? Ma'am, may I?
Can I?
मेरे को ना आए नहीं तो पता नहीं चलता, एक
Monis.
सेकंड में उठ जाता है.
Ma'am Sharma. Ma'am Prabhjot.
Ma'am, Monis. Yes, ma'am.
Monish first. Which cue card?
Ma'am, describe a time when you told your friend an important truth.
Okay, 7th. Okay, start.
I'm after Naman Sharma.
Yes, ma'am. We all have good and bad times, but we rarely share our truth with each other. So today I would like to talk about one such incident where I told a truth to my friend. It was a time when we were having a summer vacation in our school, and we were in 9th standard. We used to go to each other houses to play games and enjoy our day because we have a long day on that long day in summers. So it was an incident when we both were playing games on his iPad, and there was his younger brother also. So it was a chance that one time when the person gets if the person is not winning that game, then the other person will play the rest of the game. So it was a time when we managed to place after 1 hour when I asked for a water to my friend. So he as soon as he went as he went to bring me a water, the iPad of his has fallen down from my hand, and its screen got broken. So at that time I was very much scared and nervous, because I was very much threatening that I have done a wrong mistake. So I just tell a lie that his younger brother has broken that iPad. So because he was only 2 years old and he was very young to respond to that lie, so I told told my friend that his younger brother has broken that screen. After that, when I reached home, I was very much very much scared, and I told all the things with my mother. My mother forced me and motivated me to.
Manish, 2 minutes हो गए, okay? Okay. So you
मैम रीच होम नहीं आना था, रिटर्न होम आना था या रीच आना था?
When I reached home.
Reached
After
home.
when I reached home.
सही है.
After reaching home. After when I reached
Yeah.
home. After reaching home. Okay? Very good. Any other? Any
Yes,
other
ma'am.
mistake? Yes.
I just tell a lie. I just told a lie बोला था.
I just told a lie. वो भी इसने गलत बोला. I just told a lie. फिर has fallen नहीं, fell from my hand. Has fallen नहीं. आपने had fallen बोला या has fallen बोला था? तो आपने बोला his younger brother has broken. I told him that his younger brother had broken, not has broken.
The younger brother had broken,
had.
and I was unable to respond the lie.
ठीक है? So I just, it was good, but Monish, not yet 7. 6.5, well, yes, because there were mistakes, and आप लंबे थोड़े लंबा सेंटेंस भी कर रहे थे कहीं कहीं, but on the whole it was good. Okay, anybody?
उन्होंने एक लास्ट वाला पॉइंट ही भूल गए कि उन्होंने कब शुद्ध बताया.
मैम ये मैं बताने जा रहा था मैम.
हाँ, टाइम हो गया उनका.
आपको देखो, आपको एग्जामिनर ने वेट नहीं करनी कि 2 मिनट हो जाए उसके बाद स्टूडेंट ने बताना था. तभी मैं कहती हूँ, दैट इज व्हाई माय टिप इज कि जितने भी नीचे के क्यूज हैं उनको आप पहले 30-40 सेकंड्स में कवर कर दो, देन एक्सपैंड ऑन योर क्यू कार्ड. ओके, सो इट इज वेरी इजी टू कवर देम अप फर्स्ट. Okay, and then expand on your cue card. Your mistakes will also come less. The examiner will also be relaxed, and you will not have to speak 1.5 minutes. You will make.
Ma'am, can I speak for another 30 seconds so that I can complete the rest of the queue?
No, that's not done,
Okay.
Monish.
Yes,
See,
ma'am, not a
2 minutes
problem.
are over. Okay,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have
Yes,
not
ma'am.
completed
Yes, ma'am.
it, and you made
Actually, I
other
was.
mistakes also.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to learn about this time.
Actually,
2 minutes.
I was thinking and just speaking, ma'am. That's why I.
No, you have to see. You have to learn that
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is about 2
For
minutes.
the first time, ma'am.
Okay,
which I-
you have to
Yes, ma'am.
finish in 30-40 seconds all the cues, right?
Okay, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Okay, who is going to speak next?
Can I, ma'am?
Yes. Which cue card?
Describe a computer has been broken.
Describe which number?
Is it 28?
28.
Yeah.
Okay. Describe a time when your computer broke down. Okay. Yes,
Yes.
you start. Yes.
Here, I will talk about my manager has given me a presentation to me to complete a task for the sales promotions, as well as has given me a PPT to complete it by end of the month. However, I couldn't able to finish that. I am little busy, and then earlier day I come early in the morning. I have to complete all those things and then started to work about the PPT and to make all the files and the data things proper. Unfortunately, I supposed to be completed all those things. My computer has been not working properly. It has been shut down. I get little bit worried about that, and then I called to my manager. I have started my presentations and all. I almost to complete all those things. Unfortunately, it has been shut down. I try to many things to try to on the computer, doesn't get anything, open it, and my manager has given me a technician's number to solve this computer. However, I got a technician's number. I called the technicians. He came after 1.5 hours, and he told me that it has a motherboard issue. It will cost you something 6,000 to 7,000 rupees. Man, okay, it's fine for me. I do as soon as possible. We have to complete my presentation and have to give my till by evening. He brings the motherboards within half an hour and started repair it. And he said something has problem with the keyboard also. At the same time, he didn't realize those things. So I told him that try it as soon as possible. What is expensive is there is of the computer. I'm able to give it, but as soon as possible, you just complete it. Then unfortunately, it has come earlier day.
Okay, it is 2 minutes already. Okay, Prabjot, आपने ना पूरे क्यू कार्ड में टेंस गलत लगाया इनन्यूमरेबल प्लेसेस में. ओके, आपको सारा पास्ट टेंस में बताना है. आपने हैज, मैनेजर हैज गिवन मी प्रेजेंटेशन. फिर आपने एक मिस्टेक करी जो मैंने सुबह अभी आज के सेशन में ही बताई. कैन एबल टू आपने बोला है, कुडंट एबल टू. एक ही बात है, कैन या कुड के बाद एबल टू नहीं आता. I wasn't able to. Okay, I have to complete, I had to complete, I supposed to, has been shut down, it shut down आना से has been आना ही नहीं था. 2 बार ये हुआ. He bring, he brought, and I told him you just complete. No, you said to him you just completed at that time. When you're reporting it to somebody, you'll say I told him to complete. Okay. Sure. So otherwise you have original ideas, you can speak, but you'll have to work on the tense problem. You know, past tense cue card, everywhere it was coming, present tense verb was coming.
Sure.
So you have to work on that. It will not cross a 6 if you'll make so many past tense mistakes. Okay, sure. With all that confidence. I'm sure next time when you will speak, it will be better. When is your exam date?
Ma'am, I'm not yet booked because in Mumbai it has been locked down. Then
yes.
I stay stable.
Yes. Here also the cases are worsening. Number of cases are rising like anything.
Oh. Yes, so in Mumbai is something around 15 to 20 cases daily. They're rising. They have been shut down now.
Punjab has overtaken Mumbai also. Yes, Punjab has overtaken. Punjab.
Yes.
Anyways, next who is speaking?
Sukh, ma'am.
Can I try?
Sukh, which is your cue card?
Ma'am, 18. Okay. Describe a time when you felt bored.
Okay, Sukh.
Ma'am, after Sukh, can Parminder speak?
Yes, next Parminder. Okay, Sukh.
मैम एक बार मुझे भी देना.
मुझे
आज
कौन
मेरा
है?
लास्ट है सर.
मुझे
नीता.
कौन है? नीता next. नीता. चलो ठीक है. नीता next. चलो.
Okay, ma'am.
Start, Sukh.
Yes, ma'am. Well, there have been many times in my life when I have felt bored, but today I would like to talk about one such incident which bored me. Actually, last month, my father and I visited to my uncle's home because my uncle was not well, so my father decided to take care of my uncle for a day. So we visited there at around 10 a.m. and my uncle's daughter served us some tea and snacks. After that, my uncle and my father talked about politicians because I was not really like politicians, so I felt bored because I did not like the type of conversation, and because I feel politicians do not serve as a nation what they can. So it was really irritating moment for me, and apart from this, my mobile phone battery was also dead, and there was some network issues, so I could not use my cell phone. And after that, my father and my uncle continuously talk about politicians and they debating on their favorite parties. So it was really irritating moment for me because I have no idea for this time, and I felt bored a lot. So this was the time when I felt bored and I had nothing to do for killing the time.
Okay, it is 1 minute and 40 seconds. Not bad about the time. It was pretty good. There were some repetitions. You were running short of ideas. And mistakes which I caught, which I could write, there were more than that, but I could write only 2, 3. Visited 2, visited के बाद 2 नहीं आता. Was not really liked politician. I was not really liked. I do not like politicians. मेरे को नहीं अच्छे लगते. ऐसे बोलोगे ना? उनकी टॉक भी पॉलिटिशियंस पे थी. पॉलिटिशियंस पे क्यों बोल रहे हो? पॉलिटिक्स पे बोलो ना. They were discussing politics, and I don't like I don't like such discussions. Could not used बोला आपने, could not use my phone, used नहीं आना था, ठीक है? So these were the mistakes. I could note them down, and there were more. Anybody else noted any mistakes?
I ka pronunciation was completely wrong. She was saying I. That is not right, no?
I.
मैम have had बोला था मैम कहीं पे, मैम शुरुआत में ही have had कुछ बोला था.
I have had many conversations. I have
have had feel bored. Have had feel bored कुछ इस तरह से बोला था मैम.
So क्या बोला था बेटे? First line दोबारा बोलो.
Ma'am, there have been many times in my life when I have felt bored.
When I felt bored, have नहीं आना वहाँ पे. Okay, there have been पहले आ चुका है ना, फिर have नहीं आएगा, ठीक है? Yes, good Monish, आपने अच्छा पकड़ा. और yes.
मैम ड्रैगिंग आ रहा था बीच में, ए का साउंड बार बार बीच में आया था, वापस चला गया था, फिर आया फिर चला गया, 2-3 बार हुआ था.
क्या
मैम ए का साउंड आ रहा था, ड्रैगिंग
आ रहा था, और थोड़ी ड्रैगिंग थी वर्ड्स की.
यस मैम, वो ड्रैगिंग कम तो हुई है इनकी, बट बार बार हो रही है.
बहुत कम हुई है, पर 2-3 जगह में आई है. मैंने नोट करी, मेरे को याद आया, इसने बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट करी है. I really appreciate you, Sukh. You worked on that.
Actually, my exam on 17th April.
17th April, not April.
Yes, April. Yes.
Okay. So anyway, Sukh, that is a lot of improvement. Very, very good improvement. Okay. Till 17th April, you have more than 10 days. 10 days exactly. And when is your speaking?
Ma'am, actually अभी आए नहीं speaking date.
बाद में आएगी most probably. So you'll get time for your speaking also. Okay, good. On the
whole, please give me band score about this performance.
6.5. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Next, who is there?
Parminder.
Yes. And next, Neeta. Parminder.
Okay, my cue card is describe a time when you forget something important.
When you forgot something. Okay. Yes. Bolo.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Although there are many incidents happened in my life where I have been forgotten some important things, but today I would like to talk about an incident when I forget a movie tickets to watch a movie in a cinema hall. This incident happened few years before when my relatives came from Canada, and my husband had planned to watch a movie with them. After a lot of struggle, we finally got the movie because the movie was very famous and a lot of people was going to watch that movie. Finally, the day approached and we all decided to reach the cinema hall before time. When the cinema hall was far away from my house, so it took us about 45 minutes to reach the place. Finally, we reached the place and we were waiting for gates to open. Suddenly, I found that I forgot the movie ticket at home. At that time, I was in a big spectacle that what should I do now? I was very embarrassed in front of my relatives. When my husband came to know about this, he was very angry on me. Suddenly, I got an idea and I went to the ticket counter and explained the situation. At first, the staff member did to help me, but after when I gave him the details about movie, that my debit card number and the ticket numbers, the seat numbers, he finally agreed, because I told him that there was some relatives came from abroad and please help us. So he finally agreed and he gave us our duplicate tickets. Then after that, I was feeling a bit relaxed and we finally watched the movie. On that incident, I learned a lesson that I should always put the documents before leaving the house.
Okay, that is it. 2 minutes. Parminder, first sentence dobara bolo.
Okay. Although there have been many incidents in my life where I have been forgotten some important things, but today I would like to talk about one incident which happened with me few years before.
रुक जाओ, अब बोली जा रहे हो, मैं बोली जा रही हूँ, रुक जाओ, दोबारा बोलो, अब मैं जहाँ रोकू रुक जाओ, कहाँ देख के बोलते हो? चलो बोलो।
नहीं मैडम इंटरनेट, नहीं मैम इंटरनेट नहीं, इंटरनेट वो वीक है ना, तो मुझे पता ही नहीं चला आपने कब बोला।
चलो, और इस सेंटेंस में भर भर के ग्रामेटिकल एरर,
वो इंटरनेट की प्रॉब्लम हो रही है तो मुझे पता ही नहीं चल रहा।
अच्छा, अब आप मेरे को सुनो, अब आप बोलोगे नहीं। अच्छा, आपने भर भर के गलतियां करी है सेंटेंस में। आपने ऑल्दो वाला सेंटेंस बोलने से अपना बेटर करने के लिए बोला ना। मेरी टिप है, आप बिल्कुल ही सिंपल छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस बोला ना, बेटर बैंड आएंगे ऐसे सेंटेंस डालने से। ओके,
ठीक है।
हाँ, क्योंकि अब आप थोड़ा सा बोलो और रुक जाना। 10 शुरू, दोबारा शुरू से बोलो। ऑल्दो,
ओके, ऑल्दो छोड़ देती हूँ।
नहीं, आप बोलो जो बोला था, तभी तो गलती बताओगी।
ओके, although there has been many incidents in my life where
गलती there have been. Okay.
There have been many incidents
in my
life where I have been forgotten.
आपको कोई भूल गया है? आप भूले गए हो कि आपने कुछ भूला है? I forgot. तो आपने ये सेंटेंस बोलना है ना, आपने सीधा शुरू करना है। आपको कोई भी क्यू कार्ड आए, आपने सीधा शुरू करना है। Here I am going to talk about a time when I forgot a very important thing. ये 7 बैंड प्लस का सेंटेंस है, आपका ऑल्दो वाला सेंटेंस 5 बैंड वाला है।
ठीक है,
समझ गए?
ठीक है।
हाँ, आपको सिंपल बोलना है, बिल्कुल सिंपल बोलना है, बिल्कुल। ओके, हाँ,
ठीक है।
आपको कोई घुमा के बड़े सेंटेंस, कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस टू गेट बैंड्स नहीं बोलने हैं अपनी स्पीकिंग में। ओके, सीधा बोलो जो है। सो देन यू नो, आपने आगे अपने फ्यू इयर्स बिफोर नहीं होता। दिस हैपेंड फ्यू इयर्स बैक, फ्यू इयर्स अगो। माय रिलेटिव्स हैड कम फ्रॉम कनाडा। ओके, मूवी वाज वेरी फेमस। मूवी नहीं फेमस होती, फेमस पीपल होते हैं। मूवी पॉपुलर होती है। ओके, सिनेमा हॉल इज वेरी फार अवे नहीं होता, फार फ्रॉम माय हाउस होता है। ओके,
ठीक है।
हाँ, आप ना बिल्कुल, एक तो स्लो बोलना, आपको शुरू से ही स्लो रखना, थोड़ा कम बोलना पड़ेगा। ग्रामेटिकल एरर्स आपकी तभी जाएंगी अगर आप ये थोड़ा सा जितना और ज्यादा कॉम्प्लेक्स बना के फॉर बेटर बैंड मत बोलना कॉम्प्लेक्स को। समझ गए? सिंपल सेंटेंसेस बोलना, they will be correct, right?
Sure, पक्का।
सिंपल बोलना। ओके, नेक्स्ट नीता।
मैम आप दे दो।
ओवरऑल कितने का था?
मेरे को नहीं लगता 6 से ऊपर का था आज। हाँ, नीता चलो।
यस मैम।
हाँ बोलो।
आप ही दे दो मैम, कोई भी दे दो मैम।
नहीं, ऐसे नहीं, टाइम नहीं वेस्ट करो प्लीज।
मैं इंस्टेंटली बोलूंगी, आप जो भी बोलोगे मैं
स्टार्ट करो। कोई भी स्टार्ट। Okay, which are you speaking on? There are a lot of there in front of you. Okay, chalo.
First day school.
Pardon?
Hello, first day of school.
Okay, first day of school. Start.
Whenever I think about my first days of school, it make me nostalgic. I have a vague remembrance about I have been to school in my life, but my primary school and my secondary school are different. So I have a vague remembrance about my primary school. So here I would like to talk about my secondary school. My school name was Mehta NS Vinay Mandir Senior Secondary School. I have studied from 6 to 12 class in that school. On the first day I was a little afraid, and but I just I went inside with other student, and I talk one student, where is the 6th class. So I am new for everyone, so I am a new face for everyone, so many of them staring at me. And coincidentally, one girl, he was also in a 6th class, so she took me in her class. Her name was Rosni, and she is we are best friend now. I felt very comfortable with her, and my all nervousness are vanished. Before attending the classes, and in the lunch break, she showed me all school. I was aware about the infrastructure of the school, and there were a large canteen, and also huge playgrounds and libraries. Computer lab and chemistry lab are different, and the teachers were also very nice. So it was the school days, most memorable days of my life.
It was the most memorable day, first day, है ना?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, नीता, गलतियां तो बहुत थी. पहले लाइन में आपने बोला it makes, it के बाद हमेशा s वाला verb. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. It makes me.
हाँ, it makes. My all nervousness, all my nervousness vanished. Okay.
All my nervousness vanished. Okay.
My all nervousness नहीं, all my nervousness. Awestruck एक word है, उसकी pronunciation आपने गलत बोली है. I was awestruck to see. Awestruck. क्या
Okay,
बोला
ma'am.
आपने?
कैसे बोल?
आपने AWE.
I was shocked.
AWESTRUCK. आपने इसको क्या
Okay,
बोला?
and infrastructure वाला में.
हाँ, आपने क्या बोला था? I was
infrastructure. I was shocked.
Awestruck. Awestruck.
Awestruck. Okay.
मत बोलो ये word. I was very.
Okay.
I was very. It was like the infrastructure was amazing. ऐसे बोल सकते हो.
Amazing. Okay. Okay.
Amazing.
Infrastructure was amazing.
I have studied from 6 to 12. आपने पूरा time mention कर दिया ना? फिर have word नहीं
Yes.
आएगा. I studied in that school from 6 to 12. Have नहीं आएगा. ठीक है?
Okay.
And many of them were staring at me. वो मेरे को stare कर रहे थे. I was a new face for many. Okay. तो
Okay.
ऐसी थोड़ी गलतियां थी. It was anywhere between like 6 and 6.5. Well spoken otherwise. Okay. Very.
मेरा मैम 10th को एग्जाम है.
आपका स्पीकिंग भी 10th को है?
Yes, ma'am. Same day.
आपने काफी अच्छा बोला है. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है. It was pretty good. Okay. That's
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. That's nice. Yes.
Thank you.
So we can have one final cue card before winding up.
Ma'am,
the
Naman
class.
Sharma.
Naman.
Okay.
Okay, Naman.
Describe a famous person that you are interested in.
Okay, famous person.
28 number.
Interested in, yes. Start.
Okay. Today I would like to talk about a famous person that I am interested in. I would like to talk. I would like to meet many famous person, but here I am going to talk about India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He was born in Vadnagar, located in Gujarat. He is an energetic and development-oriented leader. He served as a member of Parliament, Chief Minister of Gujarat, and now Prime Minister of India. He had been the Chief Minister of Gujarat 3 times. The reason why I am admire him is that his life shows how an ordinary boy from a deprived family could reach the highest level of nation. It is all because of his hard work and determination. During his tenure as a chief minister, he maintained so many things like Gujarat rights and Bhuj earthquake in Bhuj, and built so many infrastructure in Gujarat like Sardar Sarovar Dam and so many things. He is the person to develop Gujarat. He is also famous for so many things like clean and green India and independent India. So that he is a role model for one and all. No, he is most now he is most followed politician in the world in the social media platform. I would like to meet this person and seek his blessings.
Very good, Naman. मेरी आपको ये टिप है. आप
Yes,
ना
ma'am.
बहुत तेज बोल रहे थे. आप ना सेंटेंसेस के बीच में पॉज नहीं था. आपको जैसे लग रहा था मुझे ज्यादा बोलना है बिकॉज आप अच्छा बोल पाते हो. आप ये फीलिंग मत रखना. आप नेचुरल पॉजेस देके बोलोगे ना और अच्छी फील आएगी.
मैम थोड़ा सा नर्वस हो गया था आज.
वो फीलिंग आ रही थी नर्वसनेस की.
Okay, ma'am.
Otherwise you spoke very well. Had
Ma'am.
been नहीं, he has been.
Okay, ma'am.
CM ऐसी माइनर मिस्टेक्स थी. बहुत ज्यादा मिस्टेक्स तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं थी. and you can speak very well. You can go an 8 band in your speaking. Just speak naturally, normally with the normal pauses.
Okay, ma'am.
And मैम एक जगह could reach बोला है, had reached आना चाहिए.
हाँ नहीं, poor from such a deprived family could reach ही आएगा ना बेटे. वो
मैम ये सब achievements past ही है ना.
ये नहीं, वो पता है क्या था इनका सेंटेंस, वो हमने ना एक एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम का क्यू कार्ड बनाया हुआ है, उसमें ये लाइन है, ही पिक्ड इट अप.
यस मैम, मैंने वहीं से पिकअप करी है ये लाइन.
वो बहुत अच्छी लाइन है, दैट शोज हाउ अ पुअर बॉय फ्रॉम अ डिप्राइव्ड फैमिली कुड रीच द हाईएस्ट लेवल ऑफ द नेशन. So that is, बहुत अच्छा पिकअप करा वहाँ पे, and you fitted it here very nice.
Yes ma'am.
That is why a smile came on my lips at that time, because I could see that you have borrowed sentences, good sentences from here and there.
Yes ma'am. So many sentences are pick up in the mix up all the thing. And
yes
ma'am, I want to ask you question about
yes.
जैसे मैम जो क्यू कार्ड के जो टॉप क्वेश्चन दिए जाते हैं हम लोगों को, मैम उनको ही अगर लेके कंप्लीट मैंने 40 सेकंड्स के अंदर या 1 मिनट के अंदर कंप्लीट कर दिया है, और उसके बाद मैम कुछ जैसे कुछ टॉपिक से रिलेटेड ही मैं अगर उसमें अगर बोलते चलता हूँ तो कोई इशू तो नहीं होता ना मैम?
बिल्कुल भी नहीं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
और मैम जब वो हमें क्यू कार्ड देते हैं ना, तो ये कब क्या वो व्हाट वाला हमारे साथ सामने होता है या वो बोलते हैं तब सुनना है?
नहीं, वो आपके सामने पेपर होता है, आपके सामने पेपर होता है, उसको देख सकते हो आप.
ओके मैम.
पेपर के सामने
मतलब हमें पता
तो
चले,
लिख लेते हैं अपन एक पॉइंट में.
वो आपको एक पेज भी मिलता है नोट्स बनाने का.
यस मैम, उसमें 1 वर्ड में आंसर लिख के मैम बोल सकते हैं फिर अब तो.
आप ना 1 वर्ड ही लिखना, 1 मिनट में सेंटेंसेस मत लिखने लग जाना 1 मिनट में. वो
नो मैम, पहले भी मैंने ऐसा करा था मैम.
मैम जो क्वेश्चंस होते, मैम कैन यू हियर मी मैम, जो क्वेश्चंस होते हैं हम 1 बाय 1 करके जरूरी है ऑर्डर में आंसर देना जरूरी है?
जरूरी नहीं होता, इट शुड नॉट नेचुरल ऑर्डर में जरूरी नहीं होता. पर मैं आपको एक बात बताती हूँ, आप ये किसका क्वेश्चन है? हु इज आस्किंग मी द क्वेश्चन?
जुबैर मैम.
देखो ऐसे नहीं होता जुबैर. द थिंग इज एग्जामिनर्स आर नॉट वेरी यंग, ऑल ऑफ देम. कुछ मेरे से भी बड़े हैं, जितने हैं. तो आपको अगर ऑर्डर में दोगे ना, उनको भी याद रहेगा आपने ये बोल दिया. ओके, अदरवाइज कोई इशू नहीं है, जैसे मर्जी बोल दो, सारे कवर होने चाहिए. ठीक है, दैट इज.
यस मैम, जैसे मैंने उसमें मेंशन किया था सारी चीजें इस टाइप से.
हाँ, सारी चीजें स्टेप बाय.
थैंक यू मैम.
Okay, all of you, I hope you learned something from this class. Now Anupam ma'am will come back. She's here. Anupam, you are here.
Just a second. Yeah, I'm here. Huh?
What time should they get back?
I think we'll start early. If everyone is okay, we'll start in 5 minutes.
Is that okay with all of you?
Or you need a 10 minutes break, huh? 5 minutes is okay.
5 minutes.
10 minutes.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay, let's mediate 7 minutes. Okay. Right, huh? Okay.
Thank you.
We'll be back, huh?
Okay, thank you ma'am.
Thank you ma'am.
Thank you ma'am.
Bye ma'am. Thank you ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.